Hello and welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we are talking about the MEICOLY Purple Face Paint Stick, the best purple face paint stick available. This purple face paint stick comes in a convenient stick form, making it easy to apply for all your makeup needs. Whether you're looking to create a Halloween SFX Ursula cosplay look or just want to add a pop of color to your face, this product has got you covered. The MEICOLY Purple Face Paint Stick is highly pigmented and provides great coverage with just a small amount. Its creamy texture glides on smoothly and blends perfectly without fading. Plus, it is sweat-proof and waterproof, so you can wear it all day without worrying about smudging or fading. This face paint stick is perfect for a variety of occasions, including Halloween costume themes, fancy balls, parties, clubs, photo shoots, and more. It is suitable for both kids and adults, making it a versatile and fun product to have in your makeup collection. Don't miss out on the MEICOLY Purple Face Paint Stick, the best purple face paint stick available. Get yours today and unleash your creativity with this vibrant and long-lasting makeup product. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you next time with more amazing products.